Hey guys, today's question comes from Crystal. Crystal asks, hey Chris, I see other people with this nice little swoop in front of their hair. How do I get that? Crystal, I love this question and I have an awesome little trick for you. I'm going to show you the flat iron version because it's the easiest way to do it. Where most people go wrong is they want to flat iron their hair out here in front of their face. It's easier to see it, it's easier to reach it, it's totally natural, I get it, but it doesn't look the best. I want you to change one thing. It's going to add an extra layer to your flat iron game. So instead of flat ironing your hair out here, I want you to flat iron it back and away from your face. Here's what that looks like. So you're going to start at the root, and you can come forward a tiny bit if you want, but you're going to start curving back, away from your face, and that's what's going to give you that amazing, elegant looking swoop to your hair. And it's not just one piece that you want to do that with. When you flat iron your hair, you want to do everything in the front should be pulled and swept back a little bit. And this really takes zero skill. You just have to know to go back with the flat iron. So try it out, let me know how you like it. If you don't want to do it yourself, you can always click below, book online, and we'll do it for you.